In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Product Views report in Shopify on desktop. Shopify's built-in analytics can tell you a lot about how visitors behave, but it doesn't provide a straightforward product page views per product count in the core admin. Instead, I'll show you a practical way to approximate this using a standard report and a simple filter, so you can quickly gauge interest in your product pages. Start on your Shopify admin home. On desktop, look to the left sidebar and click Analytics, then choose Reports. This is where Shopify organizes pre-built reports you can use without any custom setup. Once you're in, you'll see a list of report categories. Find the category option and switch it to Behavior. Behavior reports focus on how visitors interact with the pages on your store, which is exactly what we need. Next, open the Sessions by Landing Page report or a similarly named report if your theme or account shows a slightly different title. A landing page is the first page a visitor sees when they arrive at your store during a session. By focusing on landing pages, we can isolate sessions that start directly on product pages, which serves as a useful proxy for product interest. Inside this report, use the filters to narrow down the data. Add or edit a filter so that landing page URL contains products. This tells Shopify to show only sessions where customers started on a URL that includes products, which is the standard path for product pages in Shopify. If you're using the default URL structure, this filter will capture product landing sessions accurately. Now, review the columns. Look for page views or sessions. If you don't see a column you expect, use the column picker or settings within the report to enable it. Sessions shows how many times visitors started on those product pages, while page views, if available, can show total views within that context. Sorting by the Sessions or Page Views column can help you quickly identify which product pages are attracting the most initial attention. A quick note on interpretation. This method highlights sessions that begin on product pages. It does not provide a definitive per-product view count across all visits. Shopify's core admin doesn't include a direct product page views per product metric unless you build a custom report, which requires Shopify Advanced or Plus, or you work with Shopify QL. Still, this filtered landing page view is a reliable way to spot high-interest products and validate marketing efforts. Finally, adjust the date range at the top to match your campaign window. Reviewing different periods can reveal trends and seasonality, giving you a clearer picture of product engagement over time.